cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between. I roam the city in a shopping cart, a pack of camels and a smoke alarm. This night is heating up, raise hell and turn it up. Say if you go on, you might pass out in a dream pipe. Oh yeah, so threaten me with a good time. It's a hell of a feeling there, it's a hell of a feeling there. Alright, it's a hell of a feeling there, it's a hell of a feeling there. What are these footprints? They don't look very human-like. Now I wish that I could find my clothes, bed sheets and a morning rose. I wanna wake up, can't even tell if this is a dream. How did we end up in my neighbor's pool, upside down with a perfect view? Bought a bar at the speed of sound, fancy feet dancing through this town. Lost my mind in a wedding gown, don't think I'll ever get it now.